This is the Navien NPF, which means Navien Premium Furnace. It's a great piece of equipment. However, this is shipped with a wet rotor pump in it from the factory and is tested before it's shipped out. What we found out is that when these are installed in the field at startup, sometimes the pump will stick. We're going to show you how to remedy that really quick. So in order to do that, you really only need 3 tools. You're going to have everything buttoned up, ready to start up when you're installing the equipment. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to access and unstick the pump. So all you need is a long shaft screwdriver and a pair of pliers. All you have to do, take the cap off the reservoir, fill the reservoir with water, tape your door switch shut, reset the unit, clear the fault by resetting the screen, and then with your screwdriver, go behind the board to the silver volute of the pump, which is directly behind the screen, and give it a gentle tap while it's trying to start. Should free it right up. That silver thing right there is the pump volute. So then all you do is simply put the panels back on. Here we are, all buttoned up and running. Now all you have to do is go into the setup menu, set up your parameters as they need to be for your project per the install manual. Thanks for watching and have a great day.